Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is determinants of supply. Supply function studies the functional relationship between supply of a commodity and its various determinants. In other words, supply of a commodity is a function of several factors as expressed below. First determinant of supply is change in the cost of production. When a producer has to pay more for factor of production, he implies his cost of production will rise. A rise in cost will generally, other things being equal, tends to reduce the supply in market. Second is price of the commodity. There is a direct relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity supplied. Generally, higher the price, higher the quantity supplied, and lower the price will be quantity supplied. And lower the price, lower will be quantity supplied. Third is means of transport. Efficiency, means of transport and communication also affects the supply. If the transport is quick, the goods can be supplied at faster speed from one place to another, and supply of source commodities can be increased. Fourth is price of other goods. The supply of a good depends upon the price of other goods. An increase in the price of other goods make them more profitable for the firm. They will increase their supply. On the other hand, the supply of the good, the price of which has not changed, will become relatively less profitable. The supply of such a good may decrease. Fifth is change in the technique. Change in the production. Change in the technique of production. This is probably the most important factor of supply. Improvement in the technique of production reduces cost of production. Consequently, profit tends to increase, inducing an increase in supply. Sixth is goal of the firm. If the goal of the firm is to maximize profits, more quantity of a commodity will be offered at higher prices. On the other hand, if the goal of the firm is to maximize sale or maximize output of employment, more will be supplied even at the same price. Seventh is famine and war. Conditions like famine and war also affect supply. Supply of goods is often reduced in terms of war and famine, and these in turn creates further difficulties. Eighth is government policy, taxation and subsidy. Policy of the goods also affects market supply of the commodity. Increase in taxation tends to reduce the supply, while subsidies tends to induce greater supply of the commodity. Thank you.